I'm after my exam. Short explanation of what is going on. Next Thursday I have an exam, and it's an oral exam, which means I have to know everything. And for those of you who don't know, I've just started my master's degree. It's my first semester right now. It's gonna be my first exam, and basically this semester is classes which are sort of a base for marketing, and this one exam is for marketing theory. So during a semester, I mean half of the semester, we had to read 24 articles, and the exam looks the way that you pretty much get random article and they ask you questions from it. So yeah, you have to read all of them and like know all of them pretty well. So that's what I plan to do up until the end of the week, to finish reading all of them, and then the next 3 days I can start revising it. So like that's the plan. Today I'm gonna take you to the library with me, to a very cute library actually, and the way over there is also quite cute. So I'm gonna take a little bit of, you know, snapshots. Is it called snapshots? So you'll see that Denmark is actually quite cute, especially now in the fall where the leaves are falling. So see you guys. Guys, do you know that I absolutely hate about the weather right now? Yesterday in the morning it was totally freezing, like freezing big time, and now apparently it's way too hot for a scarf, and that's just so annoying because I never know what to wear in the morning. And also, by the way, this is so cute, and that's what I like about Denmark, all those two streets. Crossing the street, don't die. By the way, look at this. This is cinnamon, and it's because when you turn 25 in Denmark and you're not married, they throw a bunch of cinnamon at you, and if you are 30 and not married, then they throw like a black pepper at you. So that's like a tradition. When you walk in a city, you can see a bunch of cinnamon underneath. They're like street lamps because they tie people to them and throw cinnamon. So that's like a Danish tradition. Fun fact of the day. Look how cute the campus is. The beauty of fall. It's so cute. We are here, guys. We made it. By the way, this is what it means being in Denmark. You have bikes absolutely everywhere, and this is the library. So the library is about to close, which means I can show you how pretty it is, because there's not many people and it's way less awkward. So let me show you the view. Can you see those are books and they're all color organized, and then this is like the green area. It's so cute. This is not what you want to see when you live. No. Good morning, guys. I don't know what my French is doing this morning, like it's going quite crazy on the side, but anyways, I am going to work right now, and afterwards I'm going to school and to library like yesterday, but to my own university department. So I'm gonna see you then. I've just finished work and I'm on my way to school, and the wind is absolutely insane today, so I'm standing underneath like the tree and hopefully you can hear me. We'll find out. But first I'm gonna get some lunch because I'm so starving. I had to leave work earlier. Also, my boss's kindergarten teacher, like my daughter's kindergarten teacher, has corona. So now like she's like, okay, I have to go and get tested like in a few days and stuff. Hope the wind is better. So yeah, hopefully there won't be any corona thing, because if I would go on like a 2 weeks quarantine, my exam would get like pushed, which actually doesn't sound so bad. You know, to be like on the first quarantine right now. but it's so sunny. It's so nice. Living in Denmark, it rains so much and it's cloudy so much that whenever we get to see this sunny day, you have to enjoy it. And yeah, I'm not sure if you can hear me. The cars are going crazy, but I will see you in school. And I don't know why I do it each time. I feel like it's annoying, but. So I'm in school and I'm the only person left, and I was drinking my energy drink. And by the way, I don't know why am I whispering, like no one is here, but anyway, I was drinking an energy drink. The lights went off. So I was drinking an energy drink, not sponsored. I just buy the cheapest one with no sugar, and I was just drinking it for the whole day, and I was like a little bit sleepy or you know nothing, and then suddenly it hit me. Like I'm so energized. I feel like I could not sleep the entire night and I'll be fine. It's amazing, guys. It's amazing. Oh, by the way, I didn't show you actually how I study, so let's do it now maybe. It says, there is no one here. No one in the entire school but me. This is how my laptop looks like. So here, there are the articles that I'm reading. And then like in my OneNote, I am splitting it like lecture, so the slides from the lecture, and then the readings, which is where I'm doing my notes. And this is me falling from the stairs. This is the canteen area. I don't think I've ever been here so empty. See the hallways, and here's the canteen. All so empty. That's just so weird, guys. I am going to go home now and I still have to study, so I'll see you again when I'll be going to sleep. See ya. Damn, I look so tired when I look at myself. I'll see you in the morning. Sleep tight, guys. Hey guys, so it's been actually 2 days, not one. I lied to you. Yesterday I just went to the library and then I was seeing my friend, and there was like nothing really interesting to, you know, watch because I went to exactly the same place. But I'm ready to go and just stay there for, you know, until midnight or whatever, so it's gonna be fun. Hey you, so I am in school right now and I'm gonna show you. That's like, I got this tiny small room that you can just like use up over here, and of course Corona, you have all of the disinfection stuff everywhere. And I've been close my laptop because it's overheating, but yeah, I've been reading market dynamics and making notes and stuff. I just came back from the grocery store and I'm going to show you my go-to Tupperware dish for studying. So firstly, this is what we need, and we need some chicken breast, and I'm gonna chop them and take some garlic, salt and pepper and fry it all together. Then on the same pan, I'm gonna chop some zucchini with oregano and salt and pepper and fry it up. Courgette. British people. And then at the end, I'm gonna put some spinach on it and just wait for like the leaves to sort of, you know, shrink. I'm not sure how to call it in English. Then I'm gonna boil some pasta. And my favorite one is fusilli, but you can also use penne or some other type of, you know, small pasta. And then you boil some broccoli. Hi! And then you make a sauce. You just need some milk, and you throw in some Philadelphia and salt and pepper, and you whisk it. So these are all of the things mixed together in a casserole dish, and then I take the sauce and just beautifully pour it in so it's all nice and even. And then I'm gonna put it 180 Celsius degrees for 20 minutes, and it's gonna be perfectly fine. And meanwhile, those are my leftovers from yesterday. By the way, this is my messy sink, so I have to do it later on. But this is my what I'm eating now: roasted potatoes with some roasted chicken, some salad with cucumber, onion, feta cheese, and then some tzatziki. So it's time for me to go to sleep right now, and surprisingly, studying at night is just so much better for me than during daytime, which is amazing. I'm gonna see you tomorrow, okay? Sleep tight. Good morning! Today I did something a little bit different with my makeup. I always put mascara and eyebrows on, and today I didn't because I felt like doing that is just enough. I am about to meet my friend, and on my way to university there's actually a park which is really cute and looks super cute right now with, you know, fall and yellow leaves and stuff. So we're going there, and we're also gonna feed the ducks, which I think is a nice way to start the morning. And then I'm going to university where I'll spend the rest of the day.
You think so?
Yeah, I think they're, you know, fighting over some girl. Duckies. They're so cute. Make it rain, you know?
You have competition. Oh no.
Look at how many is over there.
Yeah.
I think he's a pro. I think they know him, you know?
Yeah, 100%. But he's also very generous. Look at that.
Yeah,
Right, here you go.
this is the cutest thing ever. I just got into school and it started raining like crazy when we were outside, so probably I should have checked the weather forecast before I go to the park to feed the ducks. But the school is totally empty, and I'm gonna show you like the room that I found. So this is my room for a day, which is so nice because when you study you have a board over here and the computer, so you can put slides on when you, for example, prepare for a presentation and stuff. But here there's a, you know, soccer arena right underneath the scope. So it looks really nice, like very calming to just sit here and look at the green. And now here's like a bunch of other rooms just like the one I'm in. They're all over there, and here there are like, you know, couches, so you can hang over here, and here are the desks and all, and there's more study rooms over there down the hall. This is so weird when the school is this empty, but I'm on my way to the library because that's the only place where they have, by the way, this is so cute, maintain social distancing. Yeah, I'm going to library because that's the only place where, oops, the wrong floor, I have to go one down actually. Okay, I'm going to library because I have to reheat my food. And look how cute is this, food for thought. Very applicable to the situation, you know. There is apparently some elections for student union, and this area is so cute. I just wish the weather was nicer, but it's never it, and that's everywhere. Isn't this backyard so cute? It's like this cool vibe. It looks so nice with the, you know, leaves and everything. The microwave is so loud. It's time for me to go home. You can see me over there. It's super dark and black outside, and also in this school. So it'll be interesting to walk over there just to have all the lights turned on for me. I'm feeling super special. The lights, come on, yes. By the way, this is so funny. We have a cart over here with things to go to canteen, like dirty dishes and stuff. And a few days ago, someone brought the bottle of vodka, which is just so random. It's sleep time, definitely sleep time. I'm gonna see you in the morning. Good morning, guys. So it's the next day, and I've just had a Zoom meeting with my group for another class, marketing research. We have a whole research going on right now, and we have a supervision meeting with our supervisor on Zoom. So we just had a call to, like, you know, talk about questions that we have and all of that. And we're about to start our Zoom with our supervisor. So I'm gonna show you a little bit how it looks like, you know, reality of things. And that's another question, because we want to do it representative, so preferably 3 females, 3 males, then 3 bachelor, 3 masters, and try to mix them. But what if we cannot find people? I was just studying and I had a little bit of like a crisis. I was like, do I actually need my master's degree? How is it gonna affect my life if I don't have it and stuff? But now it's time to go to sleep. Good morning, guys. I look probably so much different than how you saw me in the last clip. But today I woke up and I felt like I don't want to be just in my room in pajamas the next day, because then like my head is going a little bit not in a good place mentally, I'd say. So I was like, let's do makeup, let's get ready, and I booked a room at university. But I'm definitely not super prepared for the exam. I mean, like, I still have time and I will revise stuff, but definitely I'm not going for like a top grade. I'm having my leftover lunch really quickly and I'm gonna show you. By the way, I don't know why I feel like my makeup looks better than usual today. I don't know why, like my face looks more smooth. And this is what I'm doing right now, having my pasta bolognese, or the spaghetti bolognese, I don't know. And yeah, reading the article, making some notes. So good. Oh, carbs. With you. It's crazy. It's just 3:30 p.m. and this is how it looks like. It gets so dark. I think actually in camera it looks a little bit brighter, but in reality the sky is super dark and it's raining. So I'll see you in the morning. Hi guys, so I've been studying, surprise, quite well actually, surprisingly. There's this super weird thing, I'm not productive during the day, but then at night it gets insane, so I don't know what it's about, but I'm living for it. So now what I did is that before I was reading the articles, making notes from articles and study from that, but it's a lot of information and it's hard to figure out what is the most necessary. So today I just went through the slides from lecture, and of course they don't include everything, so there might be something on the exam that wasn't there, but in general it kind of helped me to see, okay, what's the most important, and then look into it. So on a piece of paper I just wrote down the most basic stuff, just sort of tomorrow in the morning, so I can just skim through them and like think to myself out loud. So those are like the basic names of the concepts, without great explanations, but just so that before the exam I can just look through them and talk to myself. I'm going to see you in the morning, day of the exam. Good morning! It's the day of the exam. I have exam in 3 hours and I'm gonna leave like in 2 just to be there a little bit earlier. But right now, like, it's not studying. Like before the exam, I think new gets really into your brain, but I'm just recapping, like reading things again, and yeah. It's time to go for the exam. Please ignore the mess behind. But this is what I like to wear. So just jeans and black t-shirt and black blazer. And I've learned that often I get really warm in the room, so I like to be able to take it off and like cover my shoulders. But yeah, here like it's normal to wear jeans and stuff, even blazer. It's a little bit excessive for the exam, but it's for my psychological comfort. But yes, it's time to go. And probably I will see you after the exam. I'm after my exam. And I passed! Woo-hoo! Yeah, but I mean it was really well, because I didn't get a maximum grade. I don't think I will tell you a grade because you don't know, different systems are different, so it doesn't really make sense. But I got the grade I wanted. So that was the grade I felt that shows my skills quite well, because it's a grade where you know most of the stuff but not everything, and I felt really like this. So when I got it I was happy. Usually after the exam, it's right now I think 2 p.m, so I will just be cooking, I'll go grocery shopping, watch Netflix, clean my room. Those are the stuff I do after exam, because you know with my room it gets super messy, because I feel like I have more important things to do than to clean my bathroom. And it also means that this vlog is over. And I hope that you enjoyed it. I want to show you a little bit of my life, you know, because I make videos and you hear me talking about different stuff. But for those of you who are like interested in more, because when I watch YouTubers I like to know their personal stuff also, like what they do, who are they seeing and stuff. So I hope that with this video you got to know me a little bit better, and I hope you have a very wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.